So hello friends, as we all know that due to recent Google Core Web Vital update, now it is very important for us to focus on improving our website speed. So there are lots of plugins available in the WordPress directory which can affect our website speed. So in this video I am going to show you how you can find such plugins which can affect your website speed. If you are using any of this plugin, then I will highly recommend you to delete that plugin from your WordPress dashboard, or you can replace that plugin with any similar plugin which will not affect your website speed. Okay, so first what you need to do, I will suggest you to make a list of all the plugin you are using on your WordPress site. So it will take you hardly 2 to 3 minutes. So just take a pen and paper and note down all the plugins which you are using on your WordPress site. And after that, what you can do, just to go to Google and search WP Hive Chrome extension. Okay, so it is completely free. You don't need to pay anything. Just install this Chrome extension. It is free for everyone. WP Hive Chrome extension. Okay, so the name of this Chrome extension is WP Hive. So just install this Chrome extension. Okay, so as you can see, I have already installed this Chrome extension. When you will install this Chrome extension, you will see icon like this. Okay, so what you can do, so it is very easy. Suppose I am using a plugin. Let me show you from here. So for example, I am using, let's say, Thrusty Affiliate. I am using this plugin. Okay, so what I will do, I will search this plugin on Google, Thrusty Affiliate WordPress plugin. Okay, I will search like this on Google, and after that what I need to do is I have to open this wordpress.org page of that particular plugin. So I will click on it and it will open this plugin page, okay, on wordpress.org. And after that you don't need to do anything. When you will open wordpress.org page of that particular plugin, then you will see a section like this. Okay, so you will see a section like this. So as you can see, it is showing that so second option is main important for us. So it is not affecting our website speed, minimal impact on page speed. So it is right tick here. It means that it is not affecting our website speed, so we don't need to worry about it. Okay, so it is not affecting our page speed. Similarly, you can search other plugins like for example Sumomi plugin. Okay, Sumomi WordPress plugin, many bloggers are using this plugin. So let's search this plugin is affecting our website speed or not. Okay, so I have opened this page, wordpress.org page of Sumomi plugin, and as you can see, so it is not affecting page speed, but there are lots of error in this plugin like no PHP error and warning notice. So it is cross here. It means that there is some problem and it is not PHP 7.2.1.6 compatible, and it is not compatible with WordPress 5.3. And so in this way you can check if there is any problem in that particular plugin or not before installing any plugin on your WordPress. And also if you have installed any plugin, then you can also check that it is affecting your website speed or not using this second option. It will tell you that this plugin is affecting your website speed or not. Okay, there is only one drawback of this Chrome extension is that it only works with free plugins. Okay, if you are using free plugins on your website, then you can check it using this method. So I don't know any method through which you can check premium plugins which are affecting your website speed, but if you are everyone use free plugins on their website. So if you are using free plugins, then you can check all the plugin using this method that these plugins are affecting your website speed or not. And suppose if you found any plugin that is affecting your website speed, then I will highly recommend you to deactivate it, and you think that that plugin is very important for you, then I will recommend you to replace that particular plugin with some alternative plugin, okay, which will not affect your website speed. I have also written a complete guide on how I get my website speed under 1 second. I will give that article link in the video description. And if you know any method through which we can check the premium plugins which are affecting our website speed, then please let me know via comment below. Thank you for watching friends. See you in the next video.